Hi, this is Kent from Bike Friday. I'm going to show you how to travel with your electric bike. As you may know, the FAA has rules on how big a battery they allow you to fly with. A lot of electric bikes, the battery is too big. Our batteries, we use a system called LIGO from Grin Technologies out of Canada, and it's very clever because it's modular. I will open this up. Here's the battery pack. It's actually 3 individual batteries, and they're all linked together. To legally fly with it, you separate them, and then you have 3 or 4, depending, legal batteries, which you can put in your carry-on. The guy at the gate says, "These batteries legal?" You go, "Oh yeah, each one's fine." Okay, so connect them up. One connector, other connector, red goes to red, black goes to black. All the connectors are interchangeable as long as you get the color right. So now I have 2 together. Connect the third one, and you can do these depending on your bike. You may have 3 or 4 of these. And that's it. Take the bundle, slide it back in, you're good to go.